Bonjour, French ladies. Do you have a closet and a wardrobe that are frankly stuck and stuffed full of clothes with nothing to wear? Is your style also stuck and needs some refinement? If you said yes, then please stay with me, because in this video I will show you surprisingly simple habits that will get your closet, your wardrobe, your style, and probably you unstuck and refined. We're going to start with thinking about your closet. Why is it stuck? Why is it stuffed full of clothes? Please let us know in the comments below what you think your reasons are. It could be because you are retired, so your clothes no longer fit your current lifestyle. Maybe you have moved town or moved state or even moved country. And of course, the clothes do not fit your lifestyle now where you are living. It may also be that you have lost weight or put on weight and the clothes you have in your closet no longer fit you. So let's keep in mind the reasons why, so that it can help you to get unstuck and move forward. So because you are stuck, you have probably a closet that is full of things, full of your past life, of your past style. This is what keeps you stuck. So a very good thing for you to do right now is to give it a good declutter, a good purge. Remove everything that is no longer speaks to you right now, that does no longer work for your lifestyle of where you are, of who you are right now. You will also have to remove all the things that no longer fit you, the things that no longer suit you, the things that you no longer love. And of course, it may be scary, but it is such a worthwhile exercise. Really, you cannot move on in your style if you are stuck in the past. In order to move forward, you need to faire le point, as we say in French. You need to do an audit of your life, an audit of your clothes, your style, your outfit, etc. And this involves decluttering. You may need a while to do this, because rarely do I hear women telling me that they've done it in a day. It is very difficult, especially if you have not done any decluttering, any purging for decades. And believe me, many women are in the same boat. If you want some help on how to keep a tidy closet, please have a look below this video. Our next surprisingly simple habit that will refine your closet, your wardrobe, and your style is to keep that decluttering going. Every day when you're in your closet, have a look if there are pieces that should not be there, because even after a declutter, there are still things that we don't quite know what to do, or we don't really want to part, and there are very emotional blocks here. Those blocks are very, very strong. Little by little, you will see that you will no longer need them. Create a habit of going through your wardrobe here and there every day. Have a look. Oh, okay, this, I think I can remove it. Because what you aim to create, what you aim to do, is having a wardrobe that actually works for you right now. It may have worked for you in the past. Maybe you worked in the corporate world and you have lots of suits and dresses for the office, but now they no longer work for you. So this is what to do. You need to purge and audit daily in order to make your wardrobe something that is useful for you now, today, in your lifestyle now. Next on our list of surprisingly simple habits that will refine your wardrobe is a uniform look. So I am talking here about hangers. What kind of hangers do you have? Are they a mix of plastic, of wire, of wood, of white, of black, of brown? You know, just this variation of hangers will make your wardrobe, even if it's tidy, look really untidy and cohesive. Pick just one color and a style of hanger that will make all your clothes very organized. And for instance, if the background, like in mine, is white, choose white hangers. That will make your clothes stand out and the hangers just fade out in the background. Our next surprisingly simple habit that really does work for your closet is to organize your clothes by category. For instance, organize all your shirts together. Organize all your sweaters together. Organize all your skirts and dresses, trousers and jackets and coats together, so that you know exactly where every piece is. And this habit works in conjunction with the next one, which is organize your item by color. So your items will be already by category, but in that category, if they're organized by color as well, then you'll go straight to the shirts and straight to the color that you want to wear today. Having a system that works for you will make your life so much easier. You will be able to create your outfits every day without fuss and without stress, and you will be better dressed for it. And next, surprisingly simple habit that does make a difference to your wardrobe and refine your style is you pick out items that need some repair done. Let's say there's a button that is loose, there's a hem that needs picked up. Remove them straight away and deal with it later. But if you leave them in the wardrobe, you see, one day you forget they need something done and you want to wear it, but you will not be able to because that button will still be unsewn and the hem will still be loose. Our next surprisingly simple habit that will make all the difference to your wardrobe and of course your wallet is to shop your closet before you embark on a shopping spree. And why is that, Marianne, you may ask? It is because you may already have such a piece in your wardrobe. If you don't know what you have in your wardrobe, when you go shopping, you will buy just anything and everything. I like to advise my ladies to shop only when it is part of an ongoing capsule wardrobe. Next on our list of surprisingly simple habits that will refine your closet, your wardrobe and your style. Keep a style journal. I am amazed that nobody else has thought of that. A style journal is so important. And I guarantee this style journal, you will use it for your life also. And why is that? It's because style is a journey and it follows along your life. I always say, keep a style journal for your style journey. I advise all my French chic ladies to keep a style journal. It is because you will start to notice things. You will start to notice the clothes that you wear. You will start to notice outfits that you are creating. You will start noticing patterns. You will start noticing your clothes. You will start noticing other outfits. By writing about style, you will start training your style eye. You will become very good at seeing, when you look at yourself in the mirror, whether a look works for you and how clothes work on your body. You will discover so much about not only your style, but about you. Because of course, your style and you are together, they are intertwined. As you start changing, your style changes with you. And as your style changes and evolves, so will you. A next surprisingly simple habit that will refine your closet and your style is to keep your closet pretty. Put some plants and add some frames, some pictures, anything that you like, anything that you love. Anything to make it pretty and pleasant for you to spend time in it. Next surprisingly simple habit that will do wonders for your wardrobe and your closet. Leave your closet in a good state. Leave it tidy, leave it clean, and leave it loved. If you enjoyed this video, you'll love this one.